Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. An e-book, short for electronic book, is a digital publication that is designed to be read on electronic devices such as e-readers, tablets, smartphones, or computers. It is a digital counterpart of a printed book, offering the convenience of portability and accessibility in a digital format. E-books can encompass a wide range of genres, including fiction, non-fiction, educational materials, guides, and more. Unlike traditional printed books, e-books are typically stored and distributed in file formats such as PDF, EPUB, or MOBI. They can contain text, images, and sometimes interactive elements. E-books provide readers with the ability to customize their reading experience by adjusting font sizes, backgrounds, and other settings. They also often offer features like bookmarking, highlighting, and searching, making it easier for readers to navigate and engage with the content. With the growth of digital technology, e-books have gained popularity due to their convenience, portability, and the ability to carry an entire library in a single device. Selling e-books can be a lucrative source of income for several reasons. Here are 10 reasons why e-book selling is advantageous. Low overhead costs. Unlike physical books, e-books do not require printing, inventory management, or shipping costs. This significantly reduces overhead expenses and increases profit margins. Global reach. E-books can be easily distributed and sold worldwide through online platforms, allowing authors to tap into a vast global audience and expand their potential customer base. Passive income. Once an e-book is created and published, it can generate passive income as long as there is demand. This means authors can earn money even while they are not actively promoting or selling the book. Higher royalties. Traditional publishing often involves sharing royalties with publishers and agents. With e-books, authors can self-publish and retain a higher percentage of the book's sales revenue. Quick publishing process. Publishing an e-book is relatively fast and straightforward compared to traditional publishing. Authors can skip the lengthy submission and approval processes, allowing them to bring their work to market quickly. Creative control. Self-publishing ebooks provides authors with complete control over content, design, pricing, and marketing strategies. They can adapt their approach based on market feedback and personal preferences. Multiple revenue streams. Authors can diversify their income by selling ebooks across various platforms and marketplaces. They can also explore opportunities such as audiobook versions, translation rights, or bundled packages to generate additional revenue. Evergreen content. Ebooks have a long shelf life as digital products. Once published, they can be available for purchase indefinitely, providing authors with ongoing income potential over an extended period. Lower risk. Compared to physical book printing and distribution, ebooks eliminate the risk of unsold inventory or costly reprints. Authors can focus on marketing and selling their digital products without the fear of financial loss. Building an author platform. Selling ebooks can help authors build their brand and establish themselves as experts in their niche. It can lead to speaking engagements, consulting opportunities, and increased visibility in their field. Overall, ebook selling offers authors a flexible, profitable, and scalable income stream. By leveraging the power of digital technology, authors can reach a global audience, retain control over their work, and generate revenue with fewer upfront costs and greater potential for long-term success. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.